A very good morning to all of you. It is said, if one can think, speak, and act the same way, they are a role model. Today, we have with us an eminent jurist who thinks, speaks that way, and acts the same way, our chief guest, Honorable Chief Justice of India, Shri N.V. Ramana Garu, to deliver the convocation address. Sir, on behalf of the Chancellor and HNLU fraternity, a hearty welcome to you. We have with us today Honorable Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Shri Bhupesh Baghelji, a well-wisher and benefactor of HNLU as the guest of honor in the convocation. Sir, we are honored and extend our hearty welcome to you. I take this opportunity to welcome the distinguished judges of Supreme Court, visitor of the university, Shri S. Ahmad Nasir Ji, presiding this convocation. Honorable Mr. Justice M.R. Shah, Honorable Justice Mrs. B.V. Nagaratna, our Chancellor, Honorable Shri Arup Kumar Goswami, Chief Justice of the State of Chhattisgarh, Honorable Minister of Law of Chhattisgarh, Shri Muhammad Akbar, Minister of Tribal Affairs, Shri Prem Sai Singh, Honorable Justice Shri Prashant Kumar Mishra, Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh, my mentor and well-wisher, Professor Ranbir Singh, former Vice-Chancellor of NLU Delhi and Nalsar, Founder Director of HNLU Shri Jose Verghese, Honorable other Vice-Chancellors, Honorable Judges of High Court, Honorable Members of the General Council, Executive Council, Academic Council, parents of graduating students, colleagues at HNLU, and other distinguished guests. The year of 2021 for HNLU was no exception, as was the case of education institutions throughout the world. It was a roller coaster ride of second and third wave of COVID pandemic. The adage, when the things get tough, the tough get going, is very apt for HNLU in its ability to manage such crises. It is no wonder, in recognition of that, the world universities with real impact called URI from South Korea adjudged HNLU as 51st among the 100 universities worldwide under the parameter of crisis management in 2021. The detailed report of the university has already been circulated and will also be available on the web. However, it's my pleasure and pride to highlight some worthy features in tune with, I recollect, Honorable Justice M.R. Shah yesterday remarked in one of the meeting, appreciation is always appreciated. So in that context, you will appreciate about what HNLU's path in this last 1 year. In the seesaw battle of COVID infections, it was increasing and decreasing. The notable achievement of the university was to recruit faculty online. The year saw the faculty strength increasing by a whopping 89% over the previous year of 2020. Importantly, the expansion saw the highest gender ratio of faculty among any national law university in the country. Also to place on record is that it has the highest number of alumni for any national law school who have been recruited as faculty. The faculty-student ratio has touched an all-time high of 1:18. The year saw the consolidation of academic administration, where a system of Collegium of Deans were created and dedicated portfolios of undergraduate, postgraduate, outreach and external regulations, internal regulations, and academic projects, as well as social sciences, were created. Apart from the structural changes, major functional consolidation took place in 2021. A faculty seminar program, christened as Sui Generis, had a record 25 faculty seminar programs in law and social sciences. The digital platform of Lex Osmos, a single credit add-on course ranging from media law to international arbitration to legal language, benefited the students. The platform of Ex-Arca, which means out of the box, invited eminent speakers addressing the students and public at large. Most importantly, with pride I will tell, it also saw Alma Matters, a digital platform, an exclusive platform for alumni exposition. The orientation of 2021 batch was unique among other national law universities where they were inducted with alumni coming every day for a week to talk to them online. The HNLU Press, which has been created as a platform for publication, is now functional, and you will see the release of 2 editions of the journals today later in the function. On the faculty participation or achievement in external academic activities, I had the opportunity to serve as the jury of CII, Confederation of Indian Industries, IP Excellence Award in 2021, and also ASSOCHAM Excellence Award in IP 21, I served as a jury. And of course, I did participate in several conferences. I was also drafted as part of the task force on reforms in higher education by the State Planning Commission, where our team has submitted a comprehensive proposal called CG Learn, called Legal Education and Research Network, for implementation in this current year. Registrar Professor Uday Shankar, who was a founding faculty of HNLU, who was serving in Rajiv Gandhi School of IP Law, was drafted as the registrar, and he has several credits last year in his participation, especially Board of Studies at KIT University, and also as an advisor to the Journal of National Forensic Sciences University. My colleagues at HNLU have participated in a record number of seminars and published extensively, and the detailed report has listed many pages on that. It's worthy mentioning HNLU is the only law university even today in the country to implement the Cumulative Professional Development Advance, or called as CPDA, which allocates rupee 1 lakh to each faculty for development of seminars, workshops, and participation and presentation. I also wanted to tell 2021, I was designated as the convener of the CLAT examination, which took place this year. And this saw me a core team of faculty helping me, and I would put it, I would consider till date, it is a successful examination with around 58,000 candidates appearing for UG and several thousand for PG, conducted in 82 centers in the country and different cities of the country. A core team helped me, and this is considered as a very successful, smooth thing, which in my opinion, as a convener, I consider that is part of HNLU's pride. If I look back quickly to student achievements, HNLU students braved the adverse conditions to participate and achieve laurels on various fora of moods, conferences, workshops, and writing competition. A complete compendium of last year achievements, which runs several pages, is detailed in the printed report. If I could tell 1 or 2 highlight here, Mr. Aditya Rai, Ms. Vanya Rai, and Mr. Anirudh Agarwal were the winner of the HPNLU National Virtual Moot Court Competition. Similarly, Advaita Kapoor, Ayush Agarwal, Pratyush Chaturvedi were part of the NUJS HSF National Corporate Law Moot. They were the finalists. And there are several things which I cannot read, but we have supplied to you for you to see, and it will be also in the website. Students also presented papers. That is the highlight. It's not just traditional moot court. They've been part of many paper presentation, and that is listed in the whole thing. If I look at the academic process and the learning resource expansion, the systemic changes and progress were pursued methodically in terms of digital delivery of classes in 2021. The innovative SACE, or Special Assignment of Critical Essays, method of online exams, online remarks, and redressal kept the academic rigor undeterred in adverse conditions. The year also witnessed significant investments in procurement of legal software, remote access software, physical acquisition of books. The timeline was also utilized to revamp and redesign a state-of-the-art kitchen and dining facility with air conditioning of the same. The living units of students and faculty were refurbished with a touch of art, reflecting the rich heritage of culture of Chhattisgarh, and we have commissioned especially a new look entrance with the statue of Buddha. On the collaborative front, HNLU entered into a memorandum of understanding with the Technology Hub and Innovation Network of Knowledge of Bastar, which is popularly called as ThinkBee, for the purposes of professional collaboration and exchange of legal and business services. ThinkBee is an initiative of the Bastar District Administration which operates accelerator programs around the district under its brand to promote local entrepreneurs. And the MOU was signed, in fact, and before Honorable Chief Minister, who participated in the function, along with collectors and other administrators who are part of that. Apart from that, as I mentioned earlier, the State Planning Commission and HNLU is working to enroll as well as disseminate what they call CG Learn, that is Legal Education and Research Network. Thereby, we plan to bring all legal institutions in the country, in the state, together to exchange the good practices at HNLU and also to help the faculty and students to move forward in the rigor of legal education. We consider at HNLU, it's a payback time to the state of Chhattisgarh because the state of Chhattisgarh has given everything to HNLU as a prime institute and it has to pay back time. We consider CG Learn when it rolls out, that will be the thing. So, having said that, keeping the time and the chief guest, important time today, I can only tell to the graduating students, there's often the notion, you forget what is taught to you in an institution and practice is different. I always felt practice, theory have gap. But let me tell you, it is an osmosis and reverse osmosis. They cannot be different. In fact, the primary thing is what is taught in the universities, and probably one has to work out practice and then try to see it manages the theory. In that context, I can only remember or recollect one quotation which I consider, I never get tired of this quotation. This is Margaret Thornton in an article called Portia Lost in the Groves of Academic, Wondering What to Do About Legal Education. I'm pretty sure many of you are in the field, may be having such wonder what to do with legal education. And Margaret says, I quote, law is at the intersection of the ideal and the real, of metaphysics and magic, of the actual and the possible, of ideas and power, of fact and value, of ease and ought, of the past and the future, of the individual and the social, of economics and politics. I don't think so anyone could capture the whole gamut of imagination of what is legal education and what its practice in the words of Margaret Thornton. So let me at this point of time, before giving it to the other part of the ceremony, I need you to remember, if you wish to, 5 mantras. These are the 5 mantras which I graduated from WhatsApp University. I'm also a student in WhatsApp University like all of you. The 5 mantras goes this way. First one, listen carefully. Hard work puts you in a place where good luck can find you. Hard work puts you in a place where good luck can find you. Second mantra, we can ignore reality, but we cannot ignore the consequences of ignoring such reality. That is very second mantra. Third, courage is being yourself every day when the world wants you to be someone else. That is the third mantra. The fourth mantra, we will not be able to control all the moments in our life, but what we can do is to control our response to that. That is the fourth mantra. The fifth mantra is very, very crucial as you excel. And I could see the future judges sitting in this audience graduating today, future professors here, future maybe national leaders or even a prime minister or a president. This is very important. 2 things define you in your life. 2 things define you in your life. Your patience when you have nothing. Your patience when you have nothing. And your attitude when you have everything. And your attitude when you have everything. With that, I wish all of you good speed and thank you. Now we begin the graduation ceremony. I call upon the Chancellor to take the stage.
I declare the 5th Convocation of Hidayatullah National Law University open.
Honorable Chancellor, sir, the Convocation of Hidayatullah National Law University, RAIPUR, has been called to confer the degrees upon the candidates who, in the examinations held for the purpose, has been found qualified for receiving the respective degrees. Sir, may I have the honor to bring before you the candidates who have qualified for the award of degrees of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Laws, and BA LLB honors for the administration of oath.
Permitted.
The registrar.
The registrar will come now.
Let the candidates for Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Laws, and BA LLB honors stand forward.
Honorable Chancellor, sir, please administer the oath to the candidates.
Do you sincerely promise and declare that if admitted to the degree to which you are a candidate and for which you have been, conduct yourself as a worthy member of this university?
Honorable Chancellor, sir, I have the honor to present unto you the candidates in person and in absentia who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, which I pray they may be admitted.
Page 4. Correct. By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of Hidayatullah National Law University, I admit the candidates in person and in absentia for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy of this university and charge them that in their life and conduct they prove themselves worthy of the same.
Please.
No. I call upon Mr. Ankit Avasthi to come to the dais. I request Honorable Chief Justice of India to confer the degree. I call upon Mr. Manoj Kumar to come to the dais. I request Honorable CM to give the degree. Honorable Chief Minister.
Honorable Chancellor, sir, I have the honor to present unto you the candidates in person and in absentia who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Master of Laws, which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of the Hidayatullah National Law University, I admit the candidates in person and in absentia for the degree of Master of Laws of this university and charge them that in their life and conduct they prove themselves worthy of the same.
Honorable Chancellor, sir, I have the honor to present unto you the candidates in person and in absentia who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of BA LLB honors, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of the Hidayatullah National Law University, I admit the candidates in person and in absentia for the degree of BA LLB honors of this university and charge them that in their life and conduct they prove themselves worthy of the same.
I humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice N.V. Ramanaji, Honorable Chief Justice of India, to award gold medal to Ms. Yuakchi Grover. Ms. Yuakchi Grover. Ms. Grover is receiving 2 gold medals. University Gold Medal for securing the first rank in Master of Laws in the year 2020. Late Kamal Narayan Sarma Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in Master of Laws in the year 2020. Now I request Mr. Ankit Pal. Mr. Pal will be receiving 6 gold medals. University Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Political Science in BA LLB Honours in the year 2020. Sri Vidyadhar Misra Memorial Gold Medal for securing the first rank in BA LLB. For Chhattisgarh State Bar Council Gold Medal for securing the first rank in BA LLB Honours in the year 2020. The Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in BA LLB Honours in the year 2020. Late Kamal Narayan Sarma Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in BA LLB Honours in the year 2020. May I request Honorable CGI to award the gold medal. Ms. Pallavi Mishra, University Gold Medal for securing the first rank in BA LLB Honours in the year 2021. Sri Vidyadhar Mishra Memorial Gold Medal for securing the first rank in the BA LLB Honours in the year 2021. Chhattisgarh State Bar Council Gold Medal for securing the first rank in BA LLB Honours in the year 2021. Sri Dayanand Shukla, Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in Constitutional Law and 1 and 2 and Administrative Law in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. Srimati Shankri Shukla, Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in Constitutional Law 1 and 2 and Administrative Law in BA LLB Honours by a girl student in the year 2021. The Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in BA LLB Honours in the year 2021. The Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in BA LLB Honours by a girl student in the year 2021. Late Vignaharan Singh Advocate Kabir Dham Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Intellectual Property Rights Honours in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. Late Kamal Narayan Sharma Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. Sayyid Wakil Ahmad Rijvi Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Civil Procedure Code, Drafting, Pleading and Conveyancing, Transfer of Property Act and Alternative Dispute Resolution in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. University Gold Medal for securing highest CGPA in Sociology in BLLB Honours in the year 2021.
May I request the students, after registrar announce who will give, then your applause starts, because the who is going to give, that voice has to be heard from registrar. So you have ample time for your claps. Thank you.
I humbly request Sri Bhupesh Baghel ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, to award gold medal to Mr. Nayan Jain. Mr. Jain is receiving 4 gold medals. Sri Dayanand Shukla Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in Constitutional Law 1 and 2 and Administrative Law in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. Sayyid Wakil Ahmed Rijvi Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Civil Procedure Code, Drafting, Pleading and Conveyancing, Transfer of Property Act and Alternative Dispute Resolution in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. The Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in all constitutional law courses in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. Late Sri P. Vaduri Advocate Gold Medal for securing highest marks in Code of Civil Procedure in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. May I request Honorable Chief Minister to award the gold medal to Ms. Sivani Umesh Dikshit. Late Chitrakant Jaiswal Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in arbitration law in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. The Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in intellectual property law in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. I humbly request Honorable Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh to award the gold medal to Ms. Sechi Neha Santosh. She is getting 6 medals. The Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Constitutional Law courses in BLLB Honours. Late Sri Deepak Agarwal Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Mercantile Law Group in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. Late Sri Hamidullah Khan, ex-MLA Kabir Dham Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in Indian Penal Code in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. Late Chitrakant Jaiswal Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in arbitration law in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. University Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Jurisprudence 1 and 2, Legal Method in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. University Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Family Law 1 and 2 in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. I humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice S. Abdul Nazir, Judge Supreme Court of India and visitor of Hidayatullah National Law University, to award the gold medal to Ms. Pragya Singh. Ms. Pragya Singh has bagged 5 gold medals. University Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Family Law 1 and 2 in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. University Gold Medal for securing highest CGPA in Sociology in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. Late Vignaharan Singh Advocate Kabir Dham Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Intellectual Property Rights in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. Late Nand Kishore Pandey Gold Medal for being the chopper student in Professional Ethics in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. the Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in BLLB honors by a girl student in the year 2020. I humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice S. Abdul Nazir, Judge Supreme Court of India, to award the gold medal to Ms. Rashi Bazari. She is getting the Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in property law in BLLB honors in the year 2021. Late Vignaharan Singh Advocate Kabir Dham Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in international law, human rights and environmental law in BLLB honors in the year 2021. University Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Labour Law 1 and 2 in BLLB honors in the year 2021. University Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Economics in BLLB honors in the year 2021. The Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Law of Torts in BLLB honors in the year 2021. I request Honorable Justice Nazir to award the gold medal to Ms. Aishwarya Agarwal. Aishwarya Agarwal is getting the medal for University Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Jurisprudence 1 and 2, Legal Method in BLLB honors in the year 2020. Late Vignaharan Singh Advocate Kabir Dham Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in International Law, Human Rights and Environmental Law in BLLB honors in the year 2020. I humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice M.R. Shah, Judge, Supreme Court of India, to award gold medal to Mr. Bhanu Prakash Joshi. Bhanu Prakash Joshi is bagging the gold medal. Let K.P. Munshi gold medal for securing highest CGPA in corporate law honors in BLLB honors in the year 2020. I request Justice Mr. Shah, Judge on Supreme Court of India, to give medal to Mr. Ayush Pandey. Late Sri Hamidullah Khan, ex-MLA, Kabir Dham Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in Indian Penal Code in BLLB honors in the year 2020. I request Honorable Mr. Justice M.R. Shah to give the medal to Ms. Yonika. Let Nand Kishore Pandey Gold Medal for being the topper student in professional ethics in BLLB honors in the year 2021. I humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice B.V. Nagaratna, Judge, Supreme Court of India, to award gold medal to Mr. Arpit Agarwal. University Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Economics in BLLB honors in the year 2020. I request Honorable Mr. Justice B.V. Nagaratna, Judge Supreme Court of India, to award gold medal to Ms. Soumya. Let Sri Deepak Agarwal Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Mercantile Law Group in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. Srimati Shankri Shukla Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in Constitutional Law 1 and 2 and Administrative Law in BLLB Honours by a girl student in the year 2020. I humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice B.V. Nagaratna, Judge Supreme Court of India, to award gold medal to Ms. Varshini Sundar. Let Syed Afzal Ahmed Rizvi Gold Medal for the best performance in criminal law and advocacy in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. Let KP Munshi Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in corporate law in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. University Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in international trade law honor in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. I humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice Arup Kumar Goswami, Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh and Chancellor Hidayatullah National Law University, to award gold medal to Ms. Isita Chakravarti, Chancellor's Gold Medal for overall best performance in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. The Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for being the best graduating student in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. Let Syed Afzal Ahmed Rizvi Gold Medal for the best performance in criminal law and advocacy in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. I humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice Arup Kumar Goswami, Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh and Chancellor Hidayatullah National Law University, to award gold medal to Adhyasa Shamal, Chancellor's Gold Medal for overall best performance in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. The Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for being best graduating student in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. University Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Political Science in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. Let Sri P. Vadri Advocate Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in Code of Civil Procedure in BLLB Honours in the year 2021. I humbly request Mr. Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra, Chief Justice of High Court of Andhra Pradesh, to award gold medal to Ms. Anamika Singh, the Dinesh Prasad Srivastava Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Law of Torts in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. Let Srimati Santi Devi Agarwal Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Law of Taxation and General Principles of Taxation in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. I request Mr. Anirudh Agarwal to come on the dais. I request Honorable Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra to award the medal. Srimati Santi Devi Agarwal Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in taxation in BLLB Honours in the year 2020. I humbly request Sri Muhammad Akbarji, Minister of Law, Government of Chhattisgarh, to award the gold medal to Ms. Parul Yadav. Let Sri Dinesh Chandra Tiwari Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in criminology in BLLB in the year 2020. I request Sri Prem Singh Saiji, Minister of Tribal Affairs, Government of Chhattisgarh, to award gold medal to Ms. Shruti Shahu. Late Sri Dinesh Chandra Tiwari Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in criminology in BLLB honors in the year 2021. I request Professor Dr. V.C. Vivekanandan, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Hidayatullah National Law University, to award gold medal to Mr. Varun Jhunjhunwala. Late Srimati Santi Devi Agarwal, Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest CGPA in Law of Taxation and General Principles of Taxation in BLLB honors in the year 2021.
With the conclusion of the award of gold medals, it is time for us to really look forward what we are really expecting as the main thing of a convocation. It is the convocation address. I have the honor to request the chief guest, Honorable Mr. Justice N.V. Ramana Garu, Honorable Chief Justice of India, to kindly deliver the convocation address.
Honorable Chief Minister of Government of Chhattisgarh, Sri Bhupesh Singh Baghel, Brother Justice S. Abdul Nazir, Judge Supreme Court of India and visitor of this university, Brother Justice M.R. Shah, Judge Supreme Court of India, Member Executive Council, Sister Justice P.V. Nagaratna, Judge Supreme Court, Member of the General Council, Brother Justice Arup Goswami, Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh and Chancellor, Brother Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra, Chief Justice High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Member General Council, Sri Muhammad Akbar, Minister of Law and Government of Chhattisgarh, Sri Prem Singh Sai, Minister of Tribal Affairs, Government of Chhattisgarh, Brother and Sister Judges of High Court, members of the General Council and Executive Councils and Academic Councils, Professor V.C. Vivekanandan, Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Uday Shankar, Registrar, Faculty and Administration of Hidayatullah National Law University, other distinguished guests, my dear students, media persons, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to everyone. This University of Law has been named after one of the greatest legal luminaries of the past century, Justice Muhammad Hidayatullah. He is called to the bar from Lincoln's Inn at the young age of 25 in 1930. In his time, he was the youngest Advocate General, the youngest Chief Justice of the High Court, and the youngest Supreme Court Judge. He also has the unique distinction of being Vice President as well as the Acting President of India. He was not only an eminent jurist, but was also an outstanding statesman. He took active interest in the development of legal education in India. Even after his retirement, he continued his pursuit to improve the standards of teaching in law schools as the chairperson of the Legal Education Committee of the Bar Council of India. He was known to be a thorough gentleman. he dedicated his life to the service of the Constitution and the people of India. From time to time, he will not only be remembered as a crusader of liberties, but also as a strong, independent voice of the Indian judicial system. Before I begin my address, I'd like to congratulate the students on their graduation today. It is a moment of pride, not only for the university, but for you, your parents, faculty, and each and every person who was a part of shaping your life so far. I congratulate and extend my best wishes to everyone. Dear young friends, today marks an important day in your life and a significant milestone in your journey. It marks the culmination of a phase of learning. Now you are deemed ready as worthy citizens to contribute to the nation and the world at large. Let me also congratulate you on becoming part of an immensely challenging, intellectually stimulating, and incredibly satisfying profession. I understand the pressure of graduating. The legal profession has not completely emerged out of old days. However, the importance of pedigree, family history, and hereditary legal practice is slowly fading out. Youngsters who are first-generation lawyers are shining and are reaching greater heights in the profession through their sheer hard work and commitment. Do not think in traditional ways. Start thinking of out of box. Knowledge and information are the biggest assets one can possess. My experience of life has taught me that hard work never goes waste. Some days you shall be rewarded for the same. Speaking from my experience, the fundamentals of law that I learned as a student and a young professional has helped to shape my career. Currently, you have a lot of time in your hand. Always use the same to nurture your mind. The best lawyers are the ones who are well equipped with history, politics, economics, and other social and scientific developments around them. A lawyer must be capable of dealing with a simple civil suit as well as disputes relating to intellectual property right, from issues of constitutional importance to IT-related crimes. A lawyer is not a mere representative before the court. Simply knowing a statute will not help you in the long run. Your clients may expect you to be aware about the different facets of business, society, or even sports. A lawyer needs to be an all-rounder, a leader, and a change maker. With your knowledge and enthusiasm, you can ideate, innovate, and thereby improve existing methods, systems, and the society as a whole. Remember that the new ways of thinking may invite criticism, but don't allow such criticism to bother you. If you believe in something and work hard to achieve it, you can effect meaningful change. You should have a constructive attitude and should attempt to find solutions. You must seize the opportunities and create opportunities for others. This generation of youngsters are taking the world by revolution, be it the climate crisis or violation of human rights. They are a united force across the world. Truly, the technological revolution has made each one of us a global citizen. It is time for all of you to join the revolution. It is in this context that I want to speak about the role of youth in achieving social transformation through the rule of law and the Constitution. The sad reality is that the supreme document which defines the aspirations of modern independent India is confined to the knowledge of the law students, legal practitioners, and a very small segment of Indian population. The Constitution is meant for every citizen. Every individual must be made aware of their rights and duties. We have collectively duty to promote the constitutional culture and raise awareness. It should be your endeavor to explain the constitutional provisions in simple terms and assimilate its ethos into the mind of the people. A constitutional republic shall only thrive when its citizens are aware of what their constitutional envisages. As law students, you have been trained to think about rights and duties. Law school's education must turn graduates into social engineers because the law is an instrument of social change. Law graduates must inculcate analytical skills, critical evaluation, and creative solution to social and legal problems. Multiple avenues are available to the legal profession today. This calls for a broad-based education with a focus on developing the skills of students. Law students must be able to explain their point clearly and precisely with flawless communication skills. They must maintain integrity of character and prepare to work under stressful and difficult circumstances. Only those who work with dedication will reach the zenith in the legal profession. You have been trained to weigh the equities. In the world of raising inequities, we need your help in bridging the gaps. You must be active members of your community and be the voice of for the voiceless. You must be the beacon of social justice. I would also like to take this opportunity to request all of you to use the skills you have learned in the university to further the goals of justice. The most vulnerable are often victims of human rights violations, either by the state or an anti-social elements. As young advocates, you are the best placed to strongly oppose the same through legal action. Society needs your able assistance in the dispensation of inexpensive justice to the needy. Legal aid services in India are the largest in the world. We need young, talented minds to steer the movement in the right direction. Go to the people who cannot reach you. Understand the prevailing social issues, raise concerns, and stand up for them. Educate people to secure their rights and provide legal guidance wherever you can. Now that you are entering into the profession, I urge you all to take up as many pro bono cases as possible. In his autobiography, Justice Hidayatullah states that as a young barrister, getting clients was difficult and slow. For every case that he got paid, he has taken up 3 free cases. He established a credible reputation in the bar and the society. There cannot be any better example to emulate in your profession. In your chase for material wealth, don't forget the power of change that lies within you. You must have a vision of the world you want to live in. But a vision is not enough. You must create it by standing up and fighting for it. In this journey, I urge you to be well informed and aware. Never let misinformation and deceit cloud your mind and thought. Study and struggle of history to build a better future. When the youth become socially and politically aware, the basic and real issues of education, food, clothing, healthcare, shelter, etc. will come into focus in the national discourse. It is the force of your ideas that will bring a change. It is upon you to shape the future of this country. The opinions you write, policies you draft, pleadings and submissions that you file in court, and the ethics that you hold dear will have a far-reaching effect. Numerous people will look up to you and try to learn from your conduct. Be mindful about the consequences of your decisions. Remember, you are the heroes of your own story. Be careful and mindful to live your life well. As the beloved children's author Dr. Seuss once said, I quote, "You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. You are on your own, and you know what you know, and you are the one who will decide where to go," unquote. Hope is eternal. I seek your leave with the heart filled with hope. I heartily congratulate those who distinguished themselves with a special laurels today. I want to tell the rest of you that your contribution to the profession and the society are going to be no less important. If I may add, I also belong to your league at the time of my graduation. Once again, I congratulate each of you and wish you success in all your future endeavors. God bless you. Have a meaningful life ahead. Before I conclude, I must compliment the Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Bhupesh Baghela, and the Chief Government of Chhattisgarh. From what I hear from the Chief Justice and other judges, the Government of Chhattisgarh is taking ample care of the infrastructural and budgetary needs of the judicial community in the state. I hope this trend continues and the state of Chhattisgarh emerges one of the role models in the providing best infrastructure to the judiciary. I also thank the Honorable Chief Minister for actively supporting the growth and development of legal education in Chhattisgarh. I wish him the best in his endeavors to provide good governance to the people of Chhattisgarh. Brother Justice Abdul Nazir, with his rich experience from the bar and the bench, is providing excellent guidance to this university. This university is fortunate to have Brother Justice Nazir as a visitor, Brother Justice M.R. Shah as a member of the Executive Council, and Sister B.V. Nagaratna as a member of General Council are adding huge value to this prestigious university. The Chancellor of the University, Justice Sri Arup Goswami, is one of the most dedicated and hard-working judges. He is known for bringing in progressive changes. Presence of Brother Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra in the General Council provides much-needed continuity in administration of the university. Dr. V.C. Vivekanandan, Vice Chancellor, is known for his academic excellence. I hope he continues to steer the university and the students on a progressive path. I wish the entire team of Hidayatullah National Law University all success in their endeavors towards achieving academic acclaim. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
May I now request the dignitaries on the dais to release the HNLU Journal of Law and Social Sciences, Volume 6 and 7.